Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Phil from Western Super Motovlog, and I love coming out here and riding across the Mendips because it reminds me of one of my favourite motovloggers as he meanders his way through London traffic, and that's New Biker featuring the Ilford Stig. Take care everyone, and ride safe.
Well, good morning everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I wanted to start with just a big shout out again to three guys who were on the live stream, the Exeter Rider live stream this last weekend with well, obviously the Exeter Rider Saddlebags 73, Western Super Motovlog, and Epic Adam and myself, and we had three guests. And if you haven't seen their channels, or if you don't know who they are yet, go check them out. It's Uncle Red, who rides a beautiful Kawasaki Vulcan S Jelly Bean, the Rhythmic Biker, who has a lovely Triumph Sprint GT, and Curious Goose, who rides a Sinis Terrain 125 and is having a lot of fun, but maybe a few issues with that bike at the moment. I hope you sort it out soon, mate. Now, Rhythmic Biker and Curious Goose are having a race to 500. A race to 500 subscribers. I don't know what the prize is or what the forfeit is for that matter, but do check out the channels. Good content on both. I certainly enjoy it, so go and check it out. The other one channel that you guys should check out, and it's kind of fairly new, and it's a joint initiative I think by Uncle Red and Rhythmic Biker, is a channel called Wolf Tales UK, which is telling some amazing stories about bikes and bikers and biking stories from around the UK. Awesome content, excellent production values, thoroughly recommend it. Go check it out. I'll put links in the cards here on the video and in the description below. I hope you go and watch it. And since we're on the subject of watching, something else I have been watching, and I think every biker in the UK and possibly around the world is watching, is the 44 Teeth. They started their budget bike Battle of Britain. And this time it's a threesome. It's a threesome with Boothie. First episode was out yesterday. I'm dating this video now, so I don't know when this video will come out, but I watched it this morning actually. Thoroughly enjoyed the content. Those guys, you know, certainly can come up with the ideas and the storylines. Just pop into the shops, are you, sir? Just turn on the parking, you wear lights, didn't you? But one thing I have noticed is Chris Eads, Better Home Grumble, is starting to become a bit of a moany git, isn't he? Complains about everything. So they started off in London, and there's one thing. Okay, look, I know traffic in London is bad, but London has its charms, and it's my home, and it's home to a lot of people I like. Don't go calling it a shithole. That's not nice. It isn't. You chose to ride in traffic on your stupid bikes Okay, it's a laugh, but don't go blaming it on London. It's your choice. You don't like it, don't ride here. You will not be missed in London. Your content is nice, but don't have a go. I like my hometown. Yes, it has its fair share of knobs. It's probably got the same percentage of knobs as everywhere else, but there's a lot of people, and so because it's the same percentage, there's just more knobs, like this knob here. No! Yeah, my service light has come on. Yes, I need to take it in for service. Thank you, I know. So I'm saying, obviously there are annoying, inconsiderate people in London. I think it's at the same proportion as anywhere else, really. Because we have a lot more people in London, obviously you're much more likely to encounter one, just because of the statistical likelihood given the size of the population. More people, more chance to encounter a throbber. Hello? No? Don't think there's any more than anywhere else in the world. And guess what? You're on a motorcycle. You shouldn't get stuck in traffic. Just negotiate it. Anyway, yeah, just don't have things on my hometown. Don't like it. I love London, even with all its faults. Anyway, that's it, guys. Just a quick update on the viewing and watching situation. Thanks for sticking with me one more time. Hope you enjoyed the content. I'll see you in the next one. We would appreciate it if you could interact with the video, give it a thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment, and yeah, take care, stay safe, and catch you later. Noob out.